Most resin printers sold today ship with fragile LCD screens that fail within weeks. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever tried detailing a miniature and spent hours reprinting because of layer artifacts? This video breaks down practical picks and settings so you choose confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best resin 3D printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. Beginner-friendly resin printers will feel at home with ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 thanks to simple leveling, clear setup, and forgiving first prints. Educators and makers aiming for consistent detail will find ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 reliability and straightforward maintenance beneficial in daily classrooms. With a 7-inch display, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 hints at fine surface detail and efficient printing workflows for steady results. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 chassis features a premium brushed aluminum shell that conveys durability while keeping a compact footprint for home studios. Compact in footprint, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 yields a maximum build volume approximating 6 by 3 by 6 inches. Laser engraved print platform 2.0 strengthens bed adhesion and minimizes model lifting, while preserving straightforward removal after curing. The 7-inch display delivers 10,000 level resolution, translating to sharp XY detail in ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 resin prints. The Li-Turbo Matrix light source ensures stable, uniform illumination across layers, reducing visible lines and delivering consistent exposure for repeatable results. With a broad print envelope, it handles mid-sized prototypes and intricate assemblies, minimizing scale restrictions for versatile resin projects. 4-point leveling with 4 screws eliminates repeated leveling sessions after initial setup and enables reliable first layer consistency during power cycles. Practical testing shows the Photon Mono 4 can achieve speeds around 70 mm per hour, enabling quicker prototypes and shorter iteration cycles. Despite the speed trade-offs, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 benefits from power loss resume to save time and avoid wasted materials. Compared to the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2, the Photon Mono 4 delivers finer detail thanks to higher resolution and improved light distribution. The pros include ultra-high resolution capability, a stable Li-Turbo light source, and practical power loss resume for efficiency. The cons include no ANYCUBIC app support, limited mobile integration, and smaller build volume relative to larger resin printers. At number 4, we have the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra. Build quality centers around a 10-inch mono LCD with a flip-up lid, delivering a compact footprint and a solid chassis. The printing envelope measures approximately 8.33 by 4.66 by 8.66 inches for larger prints. The 16K resolution engine works with the new resin system to capture ultra-fine textures and smooth surfaces. Smart tank heating at 30 Celsius keeps resin fluid and layer adhesion consistent, reducing bubbles and failed layers for higher print success. The new AI camera with integrated chamber light provides real-time monitoring, instant alerts for empty plates, and easy daytime or nighttime checks. Auto leveling eliminates manual leveling steps, offering predictable first layers and smoother resin flows, which shortens setup and reduces calibration guesswork. Tilt release technology enables fast peeling, supporting high-speed prints up to 150 mm per hour while preserving detail. When stacked against the ELEGOO Saturn 3, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra delivers crisper surface finish and smarter monitoring features. The pros include 16K resolution, smart tank heating, and auto leveling. The cons include higher price and a steeper learning curve. Real-world testing demonstrates consistent layer adhesion and crisp edges thanks to the 16K resolution and intelligent heater maintaining stable resin flow. Supporting the AI camera setup, the system issues real-time alerts for anomalies and captures time-lapse sequences to document your build. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals who want high fidelity, reliable automation, and scalable workflows in resin printing. Overall, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra delivers high resolution, AI monitoring, and easy auto leveling for resin enthusiasts. At number 3, we have the ELEGOO Mars 5. Initial impressions place the Mars 5 as a compact resin printer built for hobbyists with a 4K monochrome display and a user-friendly interface. For new users, its approachable setup and automatic leveling prompts make resin printing feel accessible rather than intimidating. The design balances a small footprint with a manageable print size and safe access to resin storage for post-cure steps. In direct comparison with the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X, the Mars 5 emphasizes user-friendly features at a friendlier price. The pros include easy setup, excellent results, and quiet operation. The cons include limited build volume and resin odor. Build quality and dimensions feel solid with a compact, sturdy chassis that inspires confidence in daily use. The Mars 5 uses a 4K monochrome LCD to speed up exposure and improve edge clarity across layers. In real-world testing, it shows consistent layer adhesion and reliable auto-leveling across multiple prints. The interface and calibration workflow guide newcomers to adjust exposure and resin type with confidence. Through careful engineering, resin swapping and cleanup remain approachable, delivering easy maintenance during long sessions. Current market pricing lands near $200, and buyers commonly rate the Mars 5 as strong value with room for refinement. For those upgrading from FDM machines, this model opens up vibrant miniature scale prints with sharp details and smooth surfaces. Overall, this Mars 5 provides a balanced mix of beginner-friendly features, dependable performance, and budget-minded appeal for resin printing enthusiasts. At number 2, we have the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra. This resin printer, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra, presents a premium chassis blending metal and quality plastics for durable desk presence. For hobbyists and small studios, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra offers strong value at $399.99. The printing size measures 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.49 inches, enabling compact, capable prints. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra uses a 7-inch 9K mono LCD to deliver crisper details and smoother exposure across every print. Smart automatic leveling and intelligent detection help reduce failed prints by guiding the Z-axis and resin level adjustments before every job. Wi-Fi transfer enables remote file sending and status updates, making it easier to manage prints without tethering to a computer. In real-world tests, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra delivered reliable layer cures and steady print pacing, letting creators iterate models quickly. In real-world testing with mid-range resins, the Mars 5 Ultra delivered clean surfaces and sturdy supports with consistent lift quality. Noise levels stayed within quiet desktop norms, and odor control improved with a sealed cover and careful resin handling. Compared to the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra offers better automatic leveling and Wi-Fi features. The pros include smart automatic leveling, 9K mono LCD, and Wi-Fi transfer convenience. The cons include higher price relative to budget printers and a moderate learning curve for beginners. With its solid build, advanced features, and respectable print results, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra stands out for dedicated resin hobbyists seeking reliability. If you value automatic leveling, Wi-Fi management, and a sharp 9K display, this model earns a strong recommendation in this price class. At number 1, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 MAX. Initial impression: this resin printer immediately signals a professional-capable device aimed at hobbyists and small studios chasing scalable, high-fidelity results. Build quality and design. The chassis uses a premium brushed aluminum shell and a sturdy frame that resists warping during extended sessions. Print area stretches to 11.8 by 11.7 by 6.5 inches, enabling substantial models without frequent slicing. Upgraded light source Li Turbo 3.0 uses a COB plus Fresnel lens, achieving precise illumination with minimal layer artifacts. A key advantage is the system's speed, delivering 60 mm/h thanks to Release 2.0 within a refined workflow. Resin management features centralized control through dynamic temperature regulation and an automatic resin refill system that minimizes manual interventions. The flip-opening cover design facilitates one-handed operation and lets operators hover the lid to maximize airflow during post-processing. A notably large resin vat holds 1,300 milliliters, reducing the frequency of resin changes during lengthy, batch-heavy printing sessions. During real-world tests, anti-aliasing and high precision lead to smooth surfaces with minimal visible stair-stepping across complex geometries. The printing process demonstrates reliable adhesion, clean releases, and consistent layer quality when printing a range of resin materials without major calibration. Compared to the Photon Mono M3 MAX, the Photon Mono M7 MAX offers faster throughput and a noticeably larger build envelope. The pros include robust build quality, large build volume, and efficient resin management. The cons include higher price and larger footprint.